since October or September, I think, and he's traveling just for himself. Yeah.
Yeah. If you go Australia, I can recommend many things. Actually, I recommend exchange program. It's really cool.
Yeah.
It's really cool. And when I did the exchange program, I went to field trip. I took a course like marine science. Marine science.
What is it?
Studying about ocean and
Really? Oh, that's so interesting.
so cool.
Oh my god.
So cool. There are a lot of foreign students from as an exchange, so we can meet many people there. There were a lot of European friends there, and we went to two field trips, and we went to Ireland. Wow, so cool. If I didn't take the course and if I was just in Brisbane, I can't go. I did because I didn't know about the island. Yeah, and if I go there by myself, it's so expensive. But
yes, exactly.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
but
when
if
you
I
by
go
myself.
if I go there with as field trip, it's cheaper.
Okay.
And we have we stayed in research station, and we studied about I studied about hermit crabs.
What is it?
Hermit crabs, it's like a crab, small crab.
Crabs. Okay.
And it has a shell on the body, so it's just looking
Cool.
finding the hermit crabs and looking at their behaviors. And then and we studied about goby. Goby is one of the kinds of fish. Goby and shrimp.
Shrimps.
Correlation. We studied about correlationship between them,
Oh, okay.
and it's so cool. We went into the sea and with note and pencil, the waterproof,
interesting,
and then write record the when we see the fish and shrimp. It's so cool, and we saw shark as well. And we went to snorkeling every day, anytime we want.
Something cool.
You should go.
Yeah, that sounds really great.
And
I
yeah,
like it.
if you
But
like
I
nature, yeah.
like the ocean as well. Like where I was in Biarritz at the beach. So maybe, do you think I can study something like that, like the ocean, or I don't know?
You
If
can.
there is something you can study.
When I went there, when I took that course, there were a lot of students studying ocean things,
Oh, yeah?
ocean biology, kind of ocean animal, ocean nature, marine science, marine nature about ocean. So yeah, it was interesting.
Because that's really interesting for me as well.
They did love nature.
You make a live video or only?
Only video.
Ah, okay.
Because it's a bad connection.